Okay, what I have is a Kenmore Elite electric dryer that is making noise when it turns, like a clumpity clump. So I can go over here and I can look at the model number and I can get the right parts. I'm getting Whirlpool certified parts. This is a repair kit. These are the wheels that I know the wheel was bad. The problem is that it comes with a belt in this repair kit, and it's not the right belt for this dryer. So you have to buy the belt separately. This is the belt numbers. Again, this is an Elite 110.6806-2801 dryer. So the question is, how do you get to the drum to replace it? So I'm going to look right here and I'm going to release the clip and raise the top. Come over here, release the clip and raise the top. And that's how you get to the inside. So there's the clip on the side, clear as a bell. Then to get this door off, I've got to take there's a 5/16 screw back here and a 5/16 screw back there. And that'll allow me to take the front off. So I'm going to do that, but I have to put my phone down to video it. Okay, so now I have to release this clip right here, and I do that by putting a screwdriver in here. So I have the dryer front cover off. Here's the bulkhead. I need to get this screw loose and this screw loose. See, there's a slot for them to slide in. Don't have to take them off all the way. This screw has to come out entirely. And this screw has to come out entirely, 1/4 inch. I also have to disconnect this wiring. And I'll lift the screen out. And I'll have to take this duct out of the way to get the drum out. So that's what we're looking at right now. Okay, so I've disconnected the belt from the pulley down below, and now I'm going to remove this bulkhead, which screws are loose, bottom screws are out. So if I just lift this up, everything comes out. There's the rollers. I'll put new rollers on the wheels on there. Whip. I thought I got that all the way loose. I'll lift the drum out using the whole belt. And there's the inside. That's what everything looks like in there. There's our noisy piece. Okay. Alright, since I'm doing this myself, it's hard for me to show you. But basically what I did was I put the new belt on. And then I put it on the rollers in the back. Then I came in, I put the bulkhead back on to the 2 screws that are on the slots. I haven't put the bottom screws in yet, but now the drum turns freely. Okay? and then I'll put the tensioner on it from the back. But now I'm going to put the screws in, put the vent covers, the 4 screws on the vent covers back in, slide this into the bottom clips, this front cover, and then the 2 screws, 5/16 screws that hold the front back on and drop the clips back in place. I've got to connect the wires again and connect the wires to that. Just slide and play. Put my filter back in. But basically it's done. I'll show you in a few minutes. Okay, so the parts are in. Now the last part of this. Open the door when you lower the top down, because on this model, because that door will keep it from latching down properly. Okay, and I forgot to put a clean vent, a clean screen link trap back in. Okay, now I'm just going to go around back and put the tensioner on the belt. So on this particular model, this is the configuration of the tensioner. There's this where the spring hooks to, it hooks there. There's the pivot point, and you can see that I can loosen this up or not. With the proper size belt, you put it around this idler pulley and then slide it over onto the motor shaft. You see the grooves go against the drive pulley on the motor. This is the dryer running now. You can hear how quiet it is. Everything's back to normal. No more bang, bang, bang. Everything's good.